I'll... It's been 5 days since my last episode, and tonight we're gonna start drawing it. Yes, another one of my favorite Ben 10 fusions. Benwolf hasn't been drawn in sort of a while, but tonight will be the next episode starring Benwolf himself. And tonight he'll be fused with the ectoneurite himself, Ghostfreak. I've been taking a liking to Benwolf and Ghostfreak's fusion. And hey, here he is, all ready to run. Alright, like I've done with the other forms of Benwolf and Ghostfreak, you must draw these parts on his body. His body includes black and white color. Anyway, as you have noticed, the ectoneurites have the ability to oscillate their eyes in different parts of their bodies, and that includes their tails as well. I don't know what's up with the white and black tentacles, but it looks like that's what they use to defend themselves. There we are. And finished. That's the fusion of Benwolf and Ghostfreak. I've had my eyes set on drawing this fighter for a long time, but hey, here he is debuting his next episode. I promised I'd get it done. And anyways, that's all for now. Good night.